It didn't work. Hold on. Oh yeah, go ahead.
Hello, this is Colby from the Letter Opening News. This just in. Two boys. Two boys. Are about to open up their letters. And they don't know what's in. It might be gas.
Mommy,
No. Could it be iron?
a chicken.
Go sit down over there.
Be a new video game?
Sit
We
down,
don't
Ryan.
know. Let's open.
Sit down next to Colby.
Now let's open our envelopes.
Sit down next to Colby, Ryan.
Let's open our envelope.
Oh,
Read the card. What does it say?
just a Halloween high. For a fun to love guy. Hugs and kisses. Love Grammy K and Papa Steve.
Oh. Show me yours, Ryan.
Mommy,
Did you open it?
yeah.
I'm gonna open it for him.
No, he can do it. I can't see, Colby.
Oh,
I got it.
Let Colby help a little.
Ryan, I want to help.
Okay, you got enough now. Let him do it.
oh, no, whippy.
That's how you open it, Ryan.
Kobe does whippy. That's my princess.
Oh,
That's
Ryan, turn around. Pull it out.
I'll be the on the
ooh.
pumpkin.
Pull it out, Ryan.
I got another one.
Rip the envelope. That's Jake's. Okay. Let Colby read it.
Jake's. Jake got one too. Aww.
Oh, wow. What is that?
We all got $5 bills.
What is it, Ryan?
And my $100.
$100.
That's mine, okay?
Okay.
What's it for me, okay?
Okay, I'll save it for you.
What's it for me?
Okay, everybody, look at the camera and say thank you.
Wait.
Look at the camera and say thank you.
Oh, Ryan still has that special surprise in your bedroom.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Ryan, what do you say?
Yeah.
What do you say, Ryan?
Thank you.
Okay, blow kisses. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Blow kisses, Ryan. Wait, you're in the way. Okay. Bye-bye.